Hello everyone, I'm back. Yay. I'm back and broke because of all of this. Anyways, I'm so sorry for the sound. I know it's kind of irritating. It's been going on for like a week. They're cutting the trees around. It's irritating. I wanted them to be done. Anyways, so yeah, I have this two package here that arrived like a few days ago, but I haven't opened them yet because of the sound. So this is like the, how do you say this, the best sound. I don't know how I'm gonna describe it, but yeah, this is like the quietest sound that I can do, and I would want to do it like next few days. I mean, like move the recording, but yeah, I want it to be done already since it's like gonna be New Year. So let's get this out of the way. And yeah, so I'm gonna open this one first. This is from a Facebook seller. I'm pretty sure this is the Love Yourself Japan tour PC. Yeah, I'm like, I want to get one. I want to complete the normal one, but it's like really hard. So I'm like, yeah, just get the Japanese one. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. Make sure I don't accidentally tear some parts, you know. There you go. Aww, it's kind of squash or something. It's a little bit damage on the top. I can't take it out. What the hell? Sorry about that. There you go, finally. Damn. Anyways, here's Jungkook. 8 out of 8. Yeah, it's kind of damaged at the top. I'm so sad. Yeah, the regular top holder doesn't exactly protect all of the Love Yourself Tour cards, except for the one that someone sent me. It has like instead of an opening over here, it has an opening on the side. So, and it fits the photo card instead of being like this. Well, some seller they put like a, what do you call that? Cardboard at the top of the top holder to protect the top part. Is it me or is the Japan photo card kind of thin? I don't know. But yeah, here it is. There's no scratches or anything. It's just a top part that's making me sad. Pretty sure you can see it. Yeah, it's kind of bent. Yeah, sorry, I kind of paused because there's like an ambulance. Alright, it's gone. I mean, it's not gone. So here. Alright, I mean, I don't want to talk while there's like an ambulance and then you cannot hear me properly. So yeah, here's Jungkook Japan Love Yourself tour PC. And I'm gonna set this aside. I hope I can fix the top part. So here's my second one. I didn't remove my name there just cause. And no, sorry. I was supposed to get this like way earlier, but because of the people working, I think the postman cannot go in. So it was I don't know. They told me they left like a slip. So I'm like, okay, redeliver. Finally, I got it. And here it's I think this is the epilogue one. No wait, I don't really remember the name, but it's YHH Y. Wait, never mind, wrong. HYYH. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce the name. I'm sorry for my voice. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. There you go. Oop. I have like more package coming. I mean, not a lot, but I feel like it's a lot because I spent like almost $200 in like one seller. Ooh. Oh, there's a lot of bubble wraps. So this is from a Twitter seller. I'm gonna post a link for her, so you can go check her out in case you want some trusted seller from Twitter and stuff. I actually asked her permission if I can post her Twitter, and she's like, yeah. I'm like, yeah. So she actually put like another bubble wrap underneath. She's so cool. Thank you very much. So here's the package. Damn, look at those bubble wraps. This is like a so loud. Sorry. So this is like a Choice Music LA bubble wrap thing. I think it's Choice Music LA. They always like do a lot of bubble wraps. Alright, I'm just gonna talk much louder. I hope much louder, like louder, because it's really like loud right now, and I don't wanna overdo this. Especially I already opened the packages, and it's not pleasant to see like do another unboxing video when it's all like already open. I mean, I hope you can get me. Damn, look at those bubble wraps. I'm so happy. I always keep the bubble wraps just in case I need to sell my packages and stuff, you know, so I don't have to buy a new one. So she put it in like this small pieces bubble wrap, like the normal ones, and she have this one, the big bubble wraps. It's so cool. Oh, it's actually a package. I mean, like a... Damn. I first saw this from my order from Peach and Lily. I'm like, wait, this exists? I didn't know. So happy. There you go. Damn, look at those bubble wraps. Thank you so much. Wait, I don't know if I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna wanna... Oh, there you go. Wait. I'm lost. Oh, I think she put... There you go. Damn, look at those bubble wraps. I'm guessing it's inside. Yep. Let's be careful. Oh, it's not fully open. There you go. So here it is. Wow, there's so many like stuff. That's so cool. I mean, like so many protective stuff. There's a freebie. Alright, holy shit. So many protective stuff. I would totally recommend buying from the Twitter seller. uh, uh, I just want to talk about something that is not related to BTS, but I really want to get like a what do you call that? Tripod or something? Because right now I'm recording this using a ladder, and I just put it, on a chair. So I know. I mean, I want to invest, but I'm not gonna have like a lot of time recording stuff, and I'm always not gonna order something. So I don't really know. I mean, if this is enough, I mean, of course it's not, but I mean, it really depends, I guess, if you're like really dedicated. But there's like a lot of priorities right now, so buying a tripod is not a, like a need or something. I mean, it depends. So she put the CD on a separate one because, oh sorry, the freeze. Yeah, let me just show the reason. So she put the CD on a separate case because one of the case holder is like broken. Oh, here it is actually. I'm wondering earlier, I'm like, wait, why is there like plastic around it? I don't know if you can see it, but I hope so. There's like the broken, I don't know what you call that, but the circle thingy. I'm so sorry, I don't really know. So she put it right there, just in case. So actually, it also happens with my other order from a different Facebook seller. The locks were, oh, is that the lock? I don't know. I'm just guessing. So the lock is broken too, but yeah, I didn't know until I received package, and I guess I'm like really nice or something. It's like, yeah, it's fine. I mean, there's nothing she can do, right? I mean, unless she's gonna like what do you call that, give back some money, but I don't really mind. So here's some freebie, and I'm gonna for sure put it in my, oh, okay, I mean, if I didn't see this part, I'm gonna guess that it's like an official card from the exhibition. Because look at the back, it's like really thin. So yeah, so here's Jimin. Thank you so much for the freebie. And then the group, where did you get this? They're so cool. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put it on my cell phone. I mean, I have the Polaroid right now, so I really like this. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna put you aside, and probably I'm gonna open this first, but I'm so scared to open it. Oh, there's actually two. Oh, so I'm guessing there's like two parts that is like broken. So probably I'm just gonna use super glue or something. I don't know. You know what? Never mind. I'm just not gonna open it. I'm gonna open it later, just to be sure, because I don't wanna further damage and stuff. So here's the Hwayangyonwa. I think I butchered that, but yeah. There you go. I really like this cover. Like, I have the epilogue one, and I'm really loving it. So there you go. I bought this from like a reasonable price because of the dents and stuff, so I'm good. Actually, I don't remember how much I bought this, so I hope it's not like around $100. I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not like a. There you go. I'm just showing you the sides. Okay, I don't even know how I'm gonna open this. Oh. There you go. 2015. Oh, I think the epilogue one is 2016, right? I don't know. I feel like I'm a bad army for not knowing such stuff. Okay, so the reflection, from the reflection you can totally see the ladder. And there's my cell phone. I hope you don't mind. So here it is. It's really shiny. That's why I'm really glad they did the epilogue one, like rainbow stuff, similar to the Love Yourself answer. It's really cool. It's like matched perfectly. So it's, oh shit, my face. Sorry for that. So here you go. Now I regret buying this, so you can totally see the reflection. So here, yeah, I think, oh, there's like one piece missing per like the case holder, I mean the CD holder. Oh, here's the album on the photo book. This is so cool, look at that. I remember I was looking for my epilogue one and I was like, it's like in the middle of the night and I'm like, I really need to get it, but it's like out of stock. So I went from Mercari to eBay and this and that. Yeah, it sucks, but finally got it. Oh, there's actually like a, can you see the dent? I'm pretty sure this is like from the city lock or something. So I'm just gonna set this aside and show you the CDs. There you go. So yeah, I think this is the only one that's like have a good, like it's not damaged or anything. There you go. She put she put post-its. Oh, maybe just to keep it in place. Yeah, cause I think the other one too is like probably like getting out of place or something. So I think, yeah, she put some post-its, and there you can see some dents and stuff. There's my face. Hello. I mean, I don't even know why I'm scared for you to see my face, but it's because I have like another video that clearly show my face. But I guess because it's in the morning, I haven't cleaned yet. So here is the photo book. There's like a dent over here because of the I don't know. I'm sorry. It's in the same place as where the dents are, so I'm guessing like it's been damaged. So I guess other than that, it's good. There you go. Just gonna go ahead and do like a quick flip stuff on stage. So yeah, I got the Jungkook photo card. I don't know if I should open it, but she put it in a plastic. I don't know if it's included with the actual package, like the photo card is actually inside a plastic, but nevertheless, thank you so much for putting Cookie in a safe place. There's no dents or anything. All good. Yep. There you go. I'm just gonna set you aside. So I'm just gonna do a quick flip through. Damn, I missed this era. I missed this, but the thing is, I haven't like, I'm not an army on that time, so it might be ironic, but I really like it. Really cool. The mint hair, Yoongi. Go BTS. Oh. They mostly censor the faces, so I'm like, what? I mean, I don't remember if it's the same with the photo book, but mostly on the Bangtan bombs they censor. Or I'm getting like the let me know, wait, no, hold me tight vibes from this. I'm pretty sure this is like the exact same area or time where they sang that one. Damn. Jim. So let me just do a quick update with the photo book. So everything's good so far. No missing pages. Of course, if there's gonna be one, I'm gonna be mad. There's like dents, just a little on the side, probably because of the probably because of the shaping or something, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's like that already when it was shipped to her / him. So far so good, no scratches or anything. And of course, I'm seeing BTS right here, so I'm like, oh, sorry, it's getting like slanted. Actually, for this photo book, I think there's like 2 people like wanted to get this one, and I don't know, maybe because it's like expensive or stuff, I don't know. That's why, yeah, I think they back out or something. So I got this, thankfully. Never mind. Oh, this is the same one. Yep. He's damn black and whites. Really? You're making me emo here. Sorry for that. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to sing. Images that you can hear. I don't give a shit. Aww, Yoongi. Sorry for being quiet. I'm just like looking at the pictures. So yeah, I think a lot can relate. Like when you like bought the albums and stuff, the DVDs, it just sat on your bookshelf. I mean, I can. I'm guilty. It's just right there. So sometimes when I have like this urge, I go back to the photo books and stuff and just open it and look at the pictures. Yeah. So it's not like pretty like just sitting over there. I also put like plastics and stuff. Just so you know. For a moment I thought I'm like, wait, what is he holding? That looks like a hat. This is the microphone. And another hat? What? I don't know. Why are you gonna have a two hat? Anyways. Done. Yeah, so here it is. The 2015 BTS live on stage. Wait, you should have put it. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it on top with Cookie. Just gonna put it inside. Yeah, I'm not really good at organizing. Don't attack me. So here's the city and freebies. So yeah, and the lock. And then the Jungkook Japan PC for the card. So thanks so much for watching. I hope, I mean, you enjoy something or have like be informed of people gonna buy from. I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm gonna link down the person I bought the DVD from, so you guys can go check her stuff out. I think she's also selling photo cards of this, and I don't remember if there's like rare ones, but her price is pretty good, so I do recommend. And the package arrived, I mean, sorry, it's really cold, so I'm like so yeah, I think the package arrived early because I'm tracking it, but yeah, it's just the postman didn't get a chance to come near here. Excuse me, sorry. Oh. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much, and hope you guys have a great holiday. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do another unboxing, but I don't know when. It depends on when the package will arrive. Anyways, there's that. Hope you guys have a great year ahead. Be healthy, and bye.